Hello, in front of me I've got Skate. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable One Foot Ollie. In the beginning, let's go to settings of the game. Gameplay and scroll down into rig toggles. Find One Foot Ollies and switch it on. Perform One Foot Ollies by holding square or X while in the air. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe. Hello, in front of me I've got Skate. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable low comply. To enable or disable no comply function, firstly go to settings. Enter gameplay, trick toggles and find no comply. Switch between on and off. Ollie immediately after pushing with your front foot to perform no comply trick. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.